Hey there, Mike Munzing here with Munzing Mortgage Group down here in San Clemente. I've been a lender here in Orange County, mostly South Orange County, for about 25 years. So I've gotten to know a lot of you over the years, worked a lot of deals with you, and really do love that. Remember the old days? We used to have a lot of these lenders around. I mean, some of the big banks are still around, but a lot of these guys, Downey and Countrywide, they're all gone. So what I want to impress upon you is there are some great new investors out there. Not a new one, but I'm working much more closely with Provident Funding now. And these guys, when I pull up the rate sheet here, you will notice I've really honed down on their rates, gotten a new kind of a level with them, and you will see my rates drop tremendously from a couple of weeks ago. Quarter, in some cases, 3/8%. One program dropped as much as 0.5%. So on the rate sheet, which you get over on my website there at mikemunzing.com, it's critical that you look at that. As I've been in the business all of these years, what I don't want, what I hate paying too much, I hate the idea of your buyers paying too much as far as rate, fees. That's why I've remained a broker. When you're in the office there, you look over, you see your in-house lender. You gotta remember, those guys are paying fees to your management, to other people. There's level of management above them. As a broker, I go directly to the wholesale rates. Provident, for instance, has been the low rate leader for about 15 plus years, but working with them a long time. So they're wholesale, I'm a broker, I keep my overhead low. Your buyer wins. They get the lowest rate, the lowest fees. Now, if their loan doesn't fit right into that package for Provident, I still have a whole bunch of other investors out there. Fantastic investors. Last couple of weeks, I've closed a couple of condos that had low owner occupancy, and in both cases, litigation. We got around it both, and that worked out well. Certainly I have investors for all different kinds of programs, which is good too, because it gives me diversity, gives me options for your buyer. Well, once again, print up that rate sheet, take it with you to your open houses so you can talk to the buyers about what the rates are doing now. Okay, I'm not going to bring up any reports this week, but what I want to remind you, let's go through the process a little bit. When you get a buyer, have them go to that online application. See, what happens is they fill out this online application, they hit submit at the bottom, that auto imports it into my formal 1003 application here that we all know, we've seen over the years. It's been changing, but this is the 1003. What I do with that, the 1003, I will pull up a credit report for them with their authorization, of course, and that'll let me know where they're at. I can analyze their income, their credit. We'll talk about assets, make sure they've got all the pieces in place to get them ready to go. Once we know what all the numbers are, all the information is, I will upload it onto the internet with one of my investors, and then I'll get the DU information back. And ideally, we're going to get the DU approval. We'll get that approval for your buyers. I will have a full-blown DU automated approval ready to go for you in a very short amount of time, 24/7 basically, weekends, no problem. So if you're making that offer, you let me know. I'll get that done. I'll get it ready to go. I wanted to kind of go through that process of what I do quickly with your buyers so you know what that is, you're comfortable with it. It's not complicated. Certainly when we go to document all of that, I get a lot more information, pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, and that can all be emailed to me, faxed to me. Very simple, very straightforward. Once again, I've been doing this 25 years. The processing side, I've worked with underwriters forever, and I know absolutely what to do. Hey, I finally put together a Facebook Munzing Mortgage Group page. I've been all over Facebook for years, just never kind of got around to putting my own mortgage lending site up there or page up there. If you're poking around the internet, poking around Facebook, I know I see a lot of you liking my stuff, pictures, whatever. Always good to see you popping up. But if you have a chance to go over to Munzing Mortgage Group, it'll be great for you to put a little like there. I don't know. I don't know what that'll do for us. I don't know what your pages are doing for you, but it's fun anyway to get a lot of likes. So that's just a side note, kind of fun. Hey, we're heading into a great weekend. It feels like summer. It's fantastic. I will definitely be out there working hard this weekend in the streets, hitting open houses. Hopefully I'll run into you, say hello as well. If I don't see you out there, but you do have a buyer you have questions for, a buyer that wants to make an offer, call me at 949-689-5626. I'm here for you. I'm here for them. We'll get all those lenders going. We'll get them ready to go. That is what I do. And I really, really look forward to working with you and your buyers, and I very much appreciate it. Well, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country that we have an opportunity to work in, and have a great, great weekend. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.